Hey yo, what's up guys? It's James Nelson here, and good day to my PHP friends as well. This is James Nelson speaking, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can actually do video downloading from YouTube. Not specifically YouTube, but what I'm going to demonstrate is to download a video from YouTube from YouTube. So I'm not gonna demonstrate any third-party websites this time, but instead of using those sketchy sites, I'm going to use a command line tools. Now, you may ask me, what is a command line tools? Now, if you guys are familiar with the term terminal for programmers and developers, probably you will understand what is a terminal. When I say terminal, it refers to something general. Terminal can be everything. Terminal can be anything. It can be CMD, command prompt, and then terminal can means PowerShell, and I do believe that Python interpreter, which we use to run Python codes, can also become an interpreter. Can also become a terminal. So when I say terminal, it's literally general. It's a literally general term to actually refers to something, to run a script or to run a code. So the terminal that I'm going to use this time is the command prompt. Now, you may ask me, hey, why can't I go to any website? Why can't you just directly suggest me any website which I can use directly in my browser without any installation steps required or any sort of unpermitted downloads from anywhere, and why should I use command line tools? Now, the answer is quite simple to me, if you ask me. Because those third-party sites might have any tracking mechanism which, will expose your system to vulnerability. I don't say every sites have tracking abilities. It means that you don't have to open your browser anymore. No, that's not what I mean literally, but we want to minimize the chance of those weird sites, or those many advertisements showing on your browser, and you don't know how to avoid those, right? So instead of using those sites to download your YouTube video, and possibly those third-party websites from your browser will have limits. Most of them have limits. Like, you can only download a video up to 60 minutes, or you can only download up to 90 minutes audio, but if you want to download more than that, you will have to pay, or you will need to subscribe to any plans, or there's simply no any option to download a long video, or if you love movies, or if you want to download any song playlist that is more than 3 hours or 5 hours video, they simply don't allow it. And another thing that I want to show you the difference between downloading from third-party websites and the command line tools, which I'm going to introduce you in just a few seconds here, is the ability to download playlist. Yes, you heard it right. We can download playlists out of this using this command line tool, which is great, and it's one of the features that people look for most. in any video downloader, but unfortunately most third-party websites which you can use directly in your browser do not support this feature, or if they do, maybe most of them needs you to pay for that service. For me it's not worth it, and why do you have to pay when you can use something totally for free, unlimited, and most importantly, you can convert directly to any format that you want. Like for example, if you don't want to download that video in MP4, you can download it. You can download and convert it directly in your terminal with only one single command. So it's not one single command, sorry, with a few configuration things that you have to do, which I'm gonna show you just in a few minutes after I show you the download process. Now, enough chit chat. Without further ado, let's go. Alright, you should be able to hear my screen reader now.
Start window, search box, edit blank.
Alright, here we go. I put my screen reader speed on 45%. I do hope that this is not too fast for all of you, because someone did complain to me that my screen reader is too fast and it's hard to catch up. So I do hope that you guys can get this right now, but if it's still too fast, you can just send me a personal message in Telegram, or if you're on YouTube, if you're watching this on YouTube, you can comment down below and tell me which speed that you're comfortable with. I usually go above 60, but for the sake of demonstration, I will going to lower it down to 45. So first of all, what you need to do is to run a terminal, and the terminal that I'm going to use this time, as I said, is the command prompt. So we're gonna type in CMD in here.
Speed type characters only and edit controls. CMD command prompt system. Press right to view options 1 of 2.
Alright, now when it says press right to view options, we need to run the command prompt in the administrator privileges mode, which we can access by using Shift plus F10, or if your laptop has an application key, you can directly press that application key.
Region, context menu list, loading document.
It says context menu.
Run as administrator 1 of 4 level 1.
And I'm not sure why though, my NVDA does not focus on this thing. So in order to click any of the options here, I will have to use my NVDA Object Navigator by holding down my NVDA modifier and then Shift, and use my left and right arrow to browse through options.
No previous. Open file location 2 of run as administrator 1 of 4 level 1.
Now here is it. Run as the administrator. So I'm gonna click on this by using my NVDA modifier plus enter.
Clicked. User account control.
Now it'll prompt you the user account control, which you can simply agree to it by clicking Alt plus Y, or you can press tab, which is in my case it's not work. And then hit enter on yes.
Ops 32.0.4 profile James Nelson scenes untitled.
Now it jumps back into my OBS. I'm not sure why though. It doesn't focus. So let me press Alt plus tab to go back
12.
there.
Administrator command prompt column 3 of 3. Start window. Administrator command prompt window terminal C Windows System 32 greater.
Alright. See Windows System 32 greater. When you say when you hear something like that, means that your command prompt is open. Now we are going to install a command line tool called YT-DLP.
Notification from
Sorry, YT-DLP. So, in order to install it, we will need to run winget command. We will need to run the winget command, which written as follows: WIN GET
widget
space install
install space
INSTALL, and then the ID of the application. Please note that it works also for another applications. If you want to install something like Unigram, or if you want to install Google Chrome into your system without opening any browser, or if you don't want to install it from the Microsoft Store, you can of course install it from Winget as well, but you will need to know the ID of the name, of the application, which you can simply ask any AI model to give you the ID.
Notification from James.
It's not really that hard. And the other thing, which I should have mentioned earlier, make sure that you have a stable connection, or else numerous errors will going to throw your way. So the ID of the application which I'm going to install is called YT-DLP.
YT-DLP.
And then press enter to install it. And while waiting for installation process to finish, I recommend don't press anything or don't touch anything except for control key, which you can use to silence the speech of the NVDA if you think it's too much. So I'm gonna press enter now. It'll start.
DLP version 2025.12.08. This application is licensed by its owner. Microsoft is not
Yep,
responsible
it'll
for
start
any
the
licenses to
installation
third-party
process.
packages. This package requires the following dependencies. Package symbol 1024 KB / 17.6 MB. Symbol.
Okay.
10. Symbol 2. Symbol 4. Symbol 6. Symbol 17.6. Successfully verified installer hash. Starting package install. Command line alias added. DLP successfully installed. See Windows System 32 Creator.
Alright. So, it has successfully installed on our system. But wait, actually, let me check something. I'm gonna pause the recording and I will come back because I remember that I will have to install a few packages, not only the YT-DLP. I supposedly installed a few more packages along with the YT-DLP because we want to convert something. We want to convert the video that we download from YouTube into something like MP3 or any other audio format. So let me check something. I think there's something going on here. And I'll get back to you just in a few seconds here. Alright guys, I'm back. So apparently, we need to manually install one more dependency. So, I remember that I didn't have to do this, but I'm not sure now after I uninstalled the YT-DLP dependency from Winget, I will have to manually reinstall the whole thing. So now I've reinstalled YT-DLP. So we need one more package, which called FFmpeg. This one will convert something else. This one will convert our media file from YouTube, which is downloaded by using YT-DLP into another format, which I usually do. I usually do vorbis format, which is .ogg, but of course you can configure it to another format, which I'm gonna show you later. Now, let me open up CMD again.
CMD command prompt. Pane, search document.
As an administrator privileges, of course.
Run as administrator 1 clicks. User account control.
User account control.
Ops 32.0.4. Profile 12. Ops administrator. Start with administrator. Command prompt window. Terminal C. Windows System 32.
Alright. And let me run the winget command again. Winget install.
Install space. Notification from.
Now, this time the ID is Giant, capital G YAN dot FF double F with the capital letter, and then MPEG small. Alright, now small letter. Okay, so now let's press enter.
Found embed-giant.embed version 8.0.1. This application is licensed by its owner. Microsoft is not responsible for, nor does it grant any licenses to third-party packages. Download in https://github.com/giant/context/releases/download/8.0.1/mbed024 KB /223 MB 5.0 OM.
Okay, it's a pretty huge package, 223 MB. So we are gonna wait. Luckily, I'm using my hotspot, which is one of the stable connection in my home. I don't dare to use my Wi-Fi because it's super unstable. Yep, so we are going to wait for the package to be installed. Well then, you guys enjoy the music though. This music is nice, seriously.
Symbol 48.0 MB/223 MB 50.
Okay, you guys can check
Symbol
the process
5.
by pressing down arrow.
Symbol 57.0 MB/223 MB.
Alright, let's wait.
$9.6. Symbol 6. New notification from James Nelson. 1. Symbol 91.6 MB/223 MB. 100. 2. New notification from James Nelson.
Sorry guys, there are whole lots of messages coming in.
Symbol 2. Symbol 5. 7. Symbol 117 MB/223 MB.
Okay, 100 megabyte more to go.
New notification from James Nelson. New notification from James Nelson. 8. Symbol 50. 4. Symbol 4. 6. Symbol 170 MB/223 and 8.
Okay, a little more.
Symbol 0.
After installing these two dependencies, I believe we can freely download any video from YouTube.
Symbol 4. 6.
And please note that this one works with either single video or playlist download. So yeah, it's a very useful command line tool.
3.
Although you will need
5.
another package
Symbol 6.
dependency in
8.
order to convert it
9.
to
Symbol 20.
audio format, which I usually do
Symbol 3.
because I don't want to download
Successfully verified installed
anything
and extract and archive.
that is in video format. I don't usually do that.
Successfully extracted archive. Starting package install. Command line alias added. Embed. Command line alias added. Play. Command line alias added. Row. Successfully installed. See Windows System 32 Creator.
Alright, we are done. And now, before we start downloading anything,
12.
I'm going to show you
Desktop.
the
Notification from James.
the settings which you will have to do first. Now, of course, the settings that you will have to do is being done manually. So,
Undo.
oh, okay, sorry.
Reaper. Exit. Recycle.
Let
Bin.
me actually check my recycle bin if I still have that
Recycle bin,
configuration in here.
Those are 64 all dot lock. Those are offline one online sound 8.23 of 32. Sound.
Okay, apparently no, I don't have it.
Desktop.
So, okay, fine. I'm gonna just copy it from my Unigram. Now, first, in order to make the configuration or to make the settings, you will need to create a new text file with your notepad. So I'm gonna launch notepad now.
NVDA notepad 11 of 20.
Here we go. Enter.
Notepad untitled notepad text editor document blank.
Okay,
Blank.
this is a blank document. This is a new blank text file, plain text file. And then I'm going to launch
Desktop. Ultra World 12 Enigrum 5 of 20.
Unigram.
Enigrum win.
The commands are the configuration text is written in my save messages which I already edited yesterday. For friends from BHP, I'm going to send the configuration text in the description of the music tutorial, while for friends who are watching this from YouTube, you'll see the configuration text in the description below, as well as the pinned comment. So yeah, make sure to check those out. So what you need to do is just copy my configuration and paste it into a plain text file. If you want to edit something, then feel free to do so.
Save messages first. Open a new selected list first.
Okay.
Number saving location will only make a new folder if playlist download is detected. You can also change the output location if your Windows username doesn't fit. Output C/user/download/% playlist title S/% title right parenthesis S.
Okay, this is it. This is the configuration text which you will have to copy.
Reply 1. Copy 7 of 7. List number save.
Just copy that and then close Unigram.
Desktop list untitled notepad text at blank.
Go here and then paste it.
Paste it.
I'm gonna read it line by line here.
Number saving location will only make a new folder if playlist download is detected. You can also change the output location if your Windows username doesn't fit.
Okay, this is command. It will be ignored by the interpreter, or it will be ignored by the command line anyway.
Output C/user/download/% playlist title S/% title right parenthesis S.% X right parenthesis S.
Okay, what this line does is actually, okay, I'm not gonna explain more because this one has a little logic side. So, logical side of programming. So, what this line does is actually output the result of download to a specific folder or a specific location. For me, I have set it to download folder, my download folder. And as in the comment, I said here, you can change the saving location if this does not fit your computer's name. In my case, I'm going to change the username to become my computer name because I have a different name with in my computer, so I'm gonna change it.
Speed type characters off.
Which I'm not gonna tell you what my computer name is.
Output character output C/users/user.
I'm gonna
user
because my computer name is not user.
R/
I'm gonna
resu/
oh, okay, I'm gonna delete that and then I'm gonna give it a proper name of my computer. Okay, done.
FJKL.
Okay.
LLELL.
Okay. Now, save that.
Save as dialog. File name combo.
Sorry, before that, let me show you.
Output C/blank. Number audio conversion.
Okay, and then this is another comment, audio conversion. You'll need that FFmpeg dependency installed. If not, then you won't get anything. I mean, you can't convert anything.
Extract audio. Notification from James.
Okay, this line, extract audio.
Audio format vorbis number. You can change the format to MP3 or something else.
Okay, that I put another comment there. You can change. By default, I put this as vorbis, or it's .ogg. But if you don't like OGG, like for example, if you want MP3, then you can directly change this.
Number number vorbis format dash audio dash format
audio dash format
vorbis space VORBIS.
Okay, vorbis. You can change this to something like MP3, for example.
Space S.
But I'm not gonna change it because I like vorbis more.
Dash audio quality 0.
Audio quality 0, so this tells the audio quality. I set this to 0.
Blank. Number, metadata, and thumbnail. Totally optional. If you don't want, you can delete these 2 lines below.
Yep. Metadata and thumbnails. It's a totally optional thing. If you don't want,
embed thumbnail.
You can remove this line. Embed thumbnail.
Embed metadata.
Embed metadata. You can remove these 2 lines along with a comment above this.
Number, metadata, and thumbnail. Totally optional. If you
This
don't want.
one, so you can remove these 3 lines if you don't want the thumbnails and metadatas to show in your downloaded result.
Embed blank. Number, additional setting.
And then additional settings. This is quite crucial as well.
Ignore errors.
It says ignore errors, which means if there's any error, on any specific video, it'll continue downloading. It won't stop downloading. Continue.
No time.
Okay.
No time.
So this is the configuration instruction, which I'm going to save.
Save as dialog. File name. Combo box collapsed. Edit Alt plus N. Selected number. Saving location.
I'm going to delete
Blank.
the name, and then
Save as type. Combo box.
we are going to change the saving type
Expanded. Save as type.
to
Text all files. Star.
all files by using down arrow to change it.
Save as dialog. File name. Combo box collapsed. Edit Alt plus N. Blank.
And then you will have to put the name like this: yt-dlp
Is dash DLP.
.conf.
DLP dot CONF.
Make sure that you name it exactly as I do here.
DLP.com.
Okay, yt-dlp.conf. Make sure it's not in text file or something, any other extension. It should be conf. So after doing this, then press enter,
DLP.com.
and it'll save to your specific location. In my case, it'll save it to download. So I'm gonna go out of this,
Desktop list.
and now what you need to do is you need to paste the text file. You'll need to copy the text file into the directory where you can find yt-dlp.exe, which I'm going to show you in just a few seconds here. Now, let me go to my download folder,
This PC file explorer. Preview. This level download.
and then
Up to date 2025 dash Ultimate Life 2 of 14. Yesterday grouping expanded. Scrolling battle rewrite 3 of 14. Nigrum last week grouping expand. Hotel aparts.m. Today grouping expand.
oops.
Preview. Not Python materials. Items list. Converted executable dot list. My testings. DLP.com.
Oh, okay. I accidentally saved it here into my Python materials. This is my Python learning folder where I put all of my resources and my learning materials, but well, it accidentally goes here, but okay, that's okay.
My DLP.com 404.
Okay, yt-dlp.conf. I'm gonna copy this.
Copy.
It says copy. In my case, it says copy because I'm using the ClipSpeak add-on. Now let's go out,
Desktop list. Nigrum 5.
and then in order to find this the location of yt-dlp, you'll need to open up Run dialog by pressing Windows plus R.
Run dialog. Type the name of a program, folder, document, or internet resource, and Windows will open it for you. Open. Combo box collapsed. Edit Alt plus O blank.
And then type in appdata. Sorry, appdata, appdata, and then press enter.
Text appdata file explorer. Items view list. Local not select.
Okay, there are three options here, and make sure you do not confuse by the first and the second option, which is
Local 1 of 3.
this is the first option, local.
Local O 2 of 3.
Local O. Make sure you go into this one.
Local 1 of 3.
Local 1 of 3. Make sure you go to the first option, not the second one. So press enter here,
Local file explorer. Items.
and then hit M to go to Microsoft.
Microsoft 7 of 17.
Hit enter,
Microsoft file explorer. Items.
and then use your end key to go to directly all the way down to find winget.
Winget 22 of 22.
Winget 22 of 22. Enter here.
Winget file explorer. Items view list. Links not selected 1 of 2. Winget.
There are two things here, which is links
Packages 2 of 2.
and packages. You'll need to go into the
Links 1 of 2.
links.
Links file explorer. Items.
Enter, and then here you will find
Link. Embed.x 1 of 4.
we have ffmpeg. This is for the conversion process, the conversion command line tool.
Lay.x 2 of 4. Rope.x. DLP.x 4 of 4.
Here we go. We find yt-dlp.exe here. So when we find it here, we will need to paste the configuration file here. So Control V to paste.
Pasted.
It says paste it.
DLP.x 505. DLP.com 405.
Now you will find this text file here. Actually, it's a configuration file here. So
DLP.com 405.
yt-dlp.conf. Now once you've done this, go back
Winget file explorer.
and then go into
Packages 2 of 2.
packages.
Packages file explorer. Items view list.
You'll need to do this to another one.
Giant.f embed Microsoft.widget.source 8 of 3 D8 1 of 2.
So when you get into this packages, you'll need to find this one,
.dlp, Microsoft.widget.source like a free
yt-dlp.yt-dlp Microsoft source blah blah blah. Go in here.
.dlp, Microsoft.widget.source like a free DXE file explorer items view list. .dlp.x not selected 1 to 1.
You'll find
Select
the exe here as well. So you'll need to paste the configuration file here as well.
pasted.
So paste it.
.dlp.x202, .dlp.conf102.
Okay, and we are supposedly done here. When you have successfully do this, supposedly you can go and download anything from YouTube right now, which I'm going to show you the process.
Packet, Windows, Microsoft, local file
I'm
explorer.
going to close all of these windows.
App data file desktop list.
Okay, now before going into the command prompt, let me copy something from YouTube,
12 Pacific Sun Nikolai idle music no copy.
which I already in here. I already opened up.
38%.
Yeah, which I already opened up here in YouTube.
Clickable button next. Edit red only HTTP. Click select an application to share with tool. Button LinkedIn. Button out of edit red. Click of checkbox not check star. Edit unavailable 002. Edit unavailable 0. Check clickable button copy.
Okay, I'm gonna copy the video link here.
Edit red only selected HTTPS.
Okay, and we are done.
Start window.
Now, let's open up command prompt,
CMD command prompt system.
and then as an administrator,
Region search doc. Run as administrator. 1 of clicks. User account control.
user account control, Alt plus Y for yes,
12 Pacific Sun Nikolai.
and then go back to it.
Ops 32. Administrator command prompt. Administrator command prompt window. Terminal C. Windows system 32 greater.
Now, here, just run a single command, yt-dlp, and then I'm gonna paste my link.
DLP space.
yt-dlp space, and then Control V to paste the link.
Pasted. https://yahoo.me/vu.slad
Blah blah blah, and then hit enter, and it'll automatically download.
YouTube extracting URL HT warning. YouTube no supported JavaScript runtime warning. YouTube feed info writing video thumbnail 45 5.7 09 22.39.2 23 0 50 85.4 30.79 0 100 and extract audio destination. See user cell download specific Sun Nikolai idle music no copyright music.org.
Okay,
Administrator command prompt. Hit DLP HTTP. C Windows system 32 greater.
I believe it's done now. So the download should be available. I mean the result should be available in the output specified location. Let me check that.
12 Pacific Sun. This PC file explorer items view 3 view. This PC level downloads.
Let me go to my download folder.
Pacific Sun Nikolai idle music no copyright music.org 1 of 15.
Okay, this one is .ogg. As I said, you can change the format in the configuration text file.
The Pacific.
So let me hit enter and let me hear it if this audio is really working.
VLCC select.
See, it worked. Okay, cool, it worked. Yeah, this is a no copyright Pacific Sun song, and I get it from YouTube using yt-dlp. And well, unfortunately, I can't show the playlist download feature because I don't have any playlist to download, at least not for now. So with that said, that's the end of the video, and that's the end of the tutorial. So I do hope you guys do enjoy this, although I know it's a little boring when it comes to command line and playing with things like this. But anyway, I do hope this will be a beneficial tutorial to everyone. Well, I'm not sure why my English is so terrible today, but well, anyway, I do hope all of you understand what I'm talking about in the whole video, and until next time, you guys take care. Bye.